Many centuries ago, when there was no groups of words or sentences to communicate, sign language was preferred by human beings so that they can communicate with each other. But as human beings grew, they developed alphabets, letters, words, and how to communicate. So these made their lifestyle extremely easy and they became more communicable. So today we would be discussing about the sentences, the types of sentences, how are they important in our day-to-day lives at different ways. Like if we want to say a wish, if we are surprised, if we are in an angry mood, if we want to convey any opinion or views. So I, Neela Sharma, your vitamin T, means your teacher for all online solutions, will be discussing the topic sentences today and its applications. So let's start the video. Students, with a new topic, that is sentences. So what are sentences? Whenever we express our feelings, we communicate with someone with certain group of words. That is known as a sentence. So our today's topic is sentences. When we express our feelings, we give command or we request or we say certain words that is really surprising or we are just stunned by them. So these words are known as sentences. Suppose if I say a sentence, walking fastly, I can figure it out. Walking fastly, like someone is walking fastly, it is into our mind. But is it crystal clear that who is walking fastly? No. So if I add here certain group of words like Araf is walking fastly, then the concept becomes totally clear that Araf is a boy who is walking fastly. So these group of words gives us a complete meaning. The picture is totally clear. Again, let's come to the next group of words and try to understand. Book is this. Book is this. Something is coming into our mind, but still the picture is not clear. So if I write here, whose book is this? Then a question comes into our mind that this book is misplaced by someone or someone has left, or I am asking between certain group of people that who is the owner of the book. So now the concept is clear, I think, that what is a sentence and what is the importance of sentence in our day-to-day life.
You got it, dude.
When we say certain statements, it can be a normal sentence or there can be a question or an exclamation mark. So these types of sentences, there is a classification or we write under the heading types of sentences. So basically there is 5 classification of sentences. Number 1 is assertive or declarative sentences. What is assertive sentences? Let's understand the first category of sentence. Assertive of sentence means when I give an opinion or I express anything that is fact. Like if I say India is a democratic country, so I am expressing a fact here because yes, India is a democratic country. Why it is a democratic country? Because the people of India have the right to cast vote. So this type of sentences is known as assertive or declarative sentences. Let's see one more example. I can also give an idea or an opinion that also comes into this category of sentence. Let's see another example. Raman is a naughty boy. Here I am giving my opinion that Raman is a naughty boy. For someone he may be a naughty boy, for someone he may not be a naughty boy. It is personally my opinion that Raman is a naughty boy. So this is the first group of or first category of sentence, that is the assertive or declarative sentence. Let's come to the second group of sentence or second category of sentence, that is imperative sentences. Now what is imperative sentences? When we give a request or a command, that is known as an imperative sentence. Let's see one example here. Please give me a glass of water. So here a request is being there, isn't it? For a glass of water, because the person is thirsty. Let's see a sentence related to command. Don't shout in the classroom. So it is a command given by the teacher. So these types of sentences where a request or a command is laid, that is known as an imperative sentences. Let's come to the third group of sentences, interrogative sentences. The third one is so what is interrogative sentences? When there is a question mark in the sentence, a question is being asked, that is known as an interrogative sentences. Let's see an example here. What are you doing here? A question mark is there. So when a question is asked and a reversal answer is there related to that, that is known as an interrogative sentences. Let's see one more example. How old are you? So again this is a question. It is being asked in the form of question. So it comes into the heading interrogative sentences. Let's come to the fourth type of sentence, that is exclamatory sentences. What is exclamatory sentences? This mark is used in the sentence. Certain words which shows happiness, or when you achieve something in case of surprise or shows sadness, then we use this exclamation mark. Certain words are used for this, like alas, hooray, bravo, wow. So these type of words, and when we use this type of sign, it is known as exclamatory sentences. Let's see an example. Wow, what a beautiful picture. Though it is a question what, we will not give a question mark here because it is related to exclamation. So there will be a full stop. Come to another sentence. Alas means when you feel sorry for something. Alas, the dog is dead. So these types of sentences comes into the category of exclamatory sentences. What are optative sentences? When there is a blessing or a curse or a prayer to God, that type of sentences comes into the category of optative sentences. Let's see an example. May you achieve all success and happiness in life. One more sentence. May God bless him. So these types of sentences where a prayer, a blessing, or a wish, or a desire, or a curse is being given comes into the category of optative sentences. Let's sum up the whole topic. So what is sentence? Means group of words that gives you a complete meaning is known as sentences. The types of sentences. Number one is assertive or declarative. Number 2 is imperative. Number 3 is interrogative. Number 4 is exclamatory. And number 5 is optative. So, I hope the concept is totally crystal clear today. Thank you.